Hello friends, myself Professor Rahul Bawane from Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research. Today we are going to talk about intellectual properties and especially we will focus on patents. So before that, let me show some activity conducted in my college. So in my college, even in the first year student, they file 16 patents in a single day. Next, we celebrate a century of patents in our college. Also, we received a recognition from World Record India for filing highest copyright in a single day. Even though our college housekeeping staff, they also filed a patent. And as a social responsibility, we also help various people outside in a society who having innovative ideas or inventions to file a patent. Under that, we help this guy for filing 7 patent on his chopper invention. So he's just a 10th pass guy and having his own workshop, automobile bike workshop, and he made one chopper, and we found that there are 7 new inventions, ideas was there. So we help him to file 7 patent on that respective new ideas, innovations. Now we will come to our point, why patents? So friends, as this picture showing that when we sell our time, efforts, knowledge, even though skill for a month, then we receive a salary. But imagine if we sell or commercialize a single patent, then we get a huge amount of money. So definitely patent will be first objective to earn a lot of money. Second is it is going to give rights for your intellectual property. So no one can cheat you or no one can use your invention or new idea for making a money. So you can't stop him. So for that we require legal rights, and that legal rights provided by the patents. Now the patents are only granted for the invention, not for the discovery. Now, what is the difference between discovery and invention? So as we can see that discovery is already existing thing in a mother nature and you just find right now. So that is called a discovery. There is no any kind of human interfere. But invention is purely made by mankind. So as we can see that Edison make a phonograph, and for that invention he get a patent. So remember friends, patent granted only for the inventions and not for the discovery. Now we will see some examples. So first, this is the rhytometer pen. You might be remember in this rhytometer pen, we can measure how much ink is consumed, okay, or how much ink is remaining on the basis of time or the distance it can write. And this patent is a student patent, and it was sold 2.5 crore. Imagine the huge amount, 2.5 crore for the simple invention, that is a measuring ink of a pen refills. Second example is a credit card. The Chennai guy, he made one credit card from plastic material, and when he sell it, so he sell that plastic material invention for 30 lakhs. So imagine small piece of credit card but he registered his invention, get a patent rights, and then after when he sell it, so for that small piece he get a 30 lakhs. That is a huge amount. Now this invention where standby wheel is provided, we observe that many times when a bike rear wheel get punctured, so it is very difficult to carry it. Okay, so this is a 10 standard student. What he did, he provided one standby small wheels. On a regular working, it is not come in a roll, but when your wheel get punctured, so he remove that attachment and fix to the chassis, and now on that wheel you can easily carry your puncture vehicle. So this is an innovative idea. So he filed a patent. Now his patent is under examination. Second patent, this is also a student patent. Many times we observe that we have to punch any documents. So punch provided two holes. But if there is a bundle of pages and after punching we are going to staple them. So one student invented that why not we can merge both the operations simultaneously. So he make an invention where he provide a stapler arrangement at the center of punch. So this punch when we operate, so on both sides it provide a punch holes, and at center it automatically staples at the same instant. So this patent also a student patent which is filed. Now patent. Now patent is only granted for either product or process. And as I said, product or process must be man-made. Okay. Now for that, there are criteria, three basic criteria. First, your idea, your invention must be novel. Novel means it must be a new and publicly unknown. That means if you have some idea, so that idea must be unknown to society and it must be new invention. Next, your idea or invention must be non-obvious. Now many students come to us and ask what is the obvious case. So non-obvious means your patent should not be advancement of any already existing thing. For example, we have a bike with a single cylinder engine. Then after some time we observe that there is a two-cylinder engine. Now in the third picture you can see that one guy make a bike with 48 cylinders. So definitely that bike going to produce a huge amount of power, but he can't go for patent. Why? Because it is an obvious case. Two-cylinder bike obviously produce more power than one cylinder, and similarly 48 cylinder bikes producing more power than two cylinders. So this is an obvious case. So your invention or your product should not be in an obvious case. It should be a non-obvious. And third, last criteria for patent, that is your product or invention must be useful for humankind, useful for animals, useful for environment. And then it can be patented. But there is one condition, it must cover under the Patent Act, because some inventions are according to Patent Act are not patentable. So your invention must be novel, non-obvious, useful, and as per Patent Act. So I think you got the idea what is a patent, why we should go for a patent. And for more information, you can visit IP India website, where you got a number of patents as well as patent forms, formalities, patent fees, and how to draft, and all these information is available on IP India website. So thank you, friends. This is Professor Rahul Bawane. If you need any kind of help, you may contact me or even though my college. Thank you.